Hi guys, welcome to NammaKPSC PSI Test Series video discussion. So this is the discussion on test number 3. So the topic of test number 3 is geography. Let us begin. Question number 1 is asking which of the following imaginary line drawn on earth cannot be considered as a great circle. So before answering the question, you must know what is a great circle. So you all know that there are imaginary lines drawn on earth which are used as grid systems. Examples: latitudes and longitudes. So a great circle is a type of such imaginary line which divides earth into two equal halves. So as you all know, longitudes start from one pole and end at other pole. So all longitudes are great circle. Coming to latitudes, only equator divides earth into two equal halves. So in latitudes, only equator is a great circle. Now let us look at the options. Option A, equator, that is correct. Option B, dateline. So dateline is coterminous with 180 degree east or west longitude. So this is also correct. Greenwich longitude, it is the 0 degree longitude. So this is also correct. Option D, Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer does not divide earth into two equal halves. So this is the correct answer for the question number 1. So Tropic of Cancer is not considered as a great circle. Question number 2, it is asking what is the tilt of the earth with respect to orbital plane. So you all know that earth is tilted 23.5 degree with normal and 66.5 degree with the orbital plane. So here correct answer is option B, 66.5 degrees. Moving ahead to question number 3, it is asking which of the following is not an effect of revolution. So revolution is the movement of earth around sun in an orbit, whereas rotation is the movement of earth around its own axis. So because of revolution, earth experiences various phenomena. First of all, you know cycle of seasons, which you have read from your school days. Coming to altitude of midday sun, so there is a apparent movement of sun from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn and vice versa because of the revolution. Next phenomena is midnight sun. So midnight sun phenomena is experienced in polar regions where poles experience sun 24 hours the day. So this effect is also because of the revolution. So here option A, option C, option D, all of them are effect of revolution. Coming to option B, cycle of day and night. So this is because of the rotation of earth. So if you did not know option C, altitude of midday sun, and option D, midnight sun also, you could have still answered here because this is a very natural phenomena which you experience every day because of rotation, and this phenomena, that is cycle of day and night, you have learned it from your school days also. So like this you can eliminate options or do guessworks and answer the questions if you don't know options also. Moving ahead to question number 4, here in options you can find two statements and you have to choose which one is correct. So here both the statements are correct. It is relating to density of various internal parts of the earth. So in the answer key, I have given various data regarding the density of earth and density of various layers of earth. You can go through it. Moving ahead to question number 5, it is asking which of the following is not a source to study earth's interior. So here all the options, that is temperature of earth, volcanism and seismology, they help in understanding the earth's interior. So option D, all of them are source to study earth's interior, is the correct answer here. So you can collect more information about how these parameters help in understanding the earth's interior. Question number 6, it is asking which of the following is known as the most dense layer of the earth. So as you all know, earth's core is made up of iron, which is again a heaviest metal. So option D, core, is the correct answer here, as core is the densest layer of the earth. Question number 7, it is asking who among the following proposed the sea floor spreading theory. Correct answer is option C, Harry Hess. So in the answer key, I have given various theories relating to distribution of oceans and continents and the scientists who proposed the theories. You have to read about individual theory and remember the names associated with the theory as well. Question number 8, it is asking which of the following force contribute to the endogenic geomorphic process. So, as you all know, endogenic forces are mainly land building forces. When you go through the options, you can see that the primordial heat from the origin of Earth, they do not contribute any ways in land building or any other such processes. So here correct answer is option A. Question number 9, it is asking which of the following is or are example of physical weathering. Here correct answer is option C, frost weathering. You can go through about different types of weathering and different types of phenomena associated in different types of weathering. Question number 10, it is asking which of the following phenomenon is responsible for the formation of NammaKPSC structure. Correct answer is option A, folds. So when you study different types of folds, you can see that there will be one thing called recumbent fold. So recumbent fold is where one of the limb has become horizontal and it breaks off from the origin. So when such thing happens, recumbent fold is called as a NammaKPSC structure. Question number 11, it is asking which one of the following is correct order of layers of atmosphere. Correct answer is option A. Here I have given the picture depicting the layers of atmosphere. You can match the above. Moving ahead to question number 12, it is asking which of the following gas is responsible for the instability of atmosphere. So instability of atmosphere occurs when there is a change in the weather phenomena. So change in weather phenomena is related to latent heat of evaporation, latent heat of condensation and other such parameters. So the main gas associated with such parameters is water vapor, and hence here correct answer is option C, water vapor. Question number 13, it is asking which of the following factors is not associated with the insolation at the surface of Earth. So before answering the question, you must know what is insolation. Insolation is the short form of the term incoming solar radiation. So here you have to find out the factors which affect the incoming solar radiation. So even without knowing exactly what the phenomena is, if you remember the term incoming solar radiation, you can answer such questions just by your general knowledge and physical observations and general observations as well. So here correct answer is option D, all of the above factors influence the amount of insolation. So what are the factors? It includes rotation of Earth, the angle of incidence of sun rays, duration of the day, transparency of atmosphere. So all of these factors affect the incoming solar radiation. So all these general observations you make in your day-to-day life. Question number 14, it is asking what is the amount of visible radiation reflected by Earth called? Correct answer is option A, albedo. In the answer key, I have given the definition of albedo. You can go through it and collect more information regarding albedo. Moving ahead to question number 15, it is asking which of the above statements is or are correct regarding lithification. So here all the statements given regarding lithification is correct. Option D, all of the above is the correct answer. So you can collect more information about lithification and you will study about it when studying the types of rocks, as lithification is the process through which sedimentary rocks are formed. Question number 16, it is asking what does the spacing of isobars indicate? So spacing of isobars indicate rate and change of pressure. So a straightforward direct question. Question number 17, it is asking what are the factors that affect the pattern of planetary winds. So here correct answer is option D. So all of the factors affect the pattern of planetary winds. So you can collect more such information. Question number 18, it is asking what is the reason for clouds floating in the atmosphere. Correct answer is option C, low density. So as the clouds are less denser than the below air, they can float in the atmosphere. Moving ahead to question number 19, it is asking which of the following is an example of the secondary wind. So a secondary wind is one which changes its direction periodically. So here option B, westerly wind, is the correct answer here, because westerly winds are primary winds and they do not change their direction periodically. Question number 20, it is asking which of the following is a source of a air mass. So a large body of air with a little horizontal variation in temperature and moisture is called as an air mass. So such air masses generally originate over a large homogeneous area. So here you can see Sahara Desert, Siberia, Greenland, all of them are such sources where the air masses can originate. Here correct answer is option D, all of the above are the source of the air mass. Question number 21, it is asking who among the following coined the term oceanography. Correct answer is option A, Sir John Murray, a straightforward fact. Question number 22, it is asking what is the part of continent that is submerged in ocean called as. Correct answer is here option D, none of the above. So for the given definition, correct answer must be continental shelf, which is not mentioned in any of the options. So it is none of the above. Question number 23, it is asking Mariana Trench is located in which of the following ocean? So Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world and it is located in the Pacific Ocean. Again a direct fact. Question number 24, it is asking which of the following statement is true? So here correct answer is option A, the temperature of northern oceans is more than that of the southern oceans. So this is because of presence of more land in northern hemisphere when compared to southern hemisphere. Question number 25, it is asking which of the following is not a relief feature of ocean. Correct answer here is option D. So here all the given options are the relief features of the ocean. So you can collect more features about various relief features of ocean floor. Question number 26, it is asking which of the following ocean is in the form of a S shape. Correct answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean, a direct fact. Question number 27, it is asking halocline is related to which of the following factors. So halocline is the vertical zone in ocean water in which salinity changes rapidly. So correct answer is option B, salinity of ocean water. So there is another such definition relating to temperature of ocean water, which is thermocline. So thermocline is the vertical zone in ocean water where temperature of ocean water changes rapidly. So you have to remember these two facts. Question number 28, it is asking which type of energy is responsible for generation of ocean waves. Correct answer is option C, kinetic energy. So through the transfer of kinetic energy of winds to ocean particles, waves are created. So correct answer is option C, kinetic energy. Question number 29, it is asking which of the following forces are responsible for creation of tides. So here gravity of sun, gravity of moon and centrifugal force, all of them contribute to the creation of tides. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 30, it is asking in which of the following places does India not have a coral reef. Correct answer is option C, Godavari Delta. So for presence of coral reefs, absence of sediments is most important feature. So here Godavari Delta is a very, not a conducive environment for presence of corals is because Godavari rivers carries a lot of sediments throughout its course. Hence in Godavari Delta we cannot find a coral reef. Question number 31, it is asking which of the following imaginary line almost divides India into two equal parts. Correct answer is option C, Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states which are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So you can also remember these facts. Question number 32. Which of the following region supports the Kareva formation? Correct answer is option C, Kashmir Himalayas. So in the answer key I have given how Kareva deposits were formed in the Kashmir Himalayas. Kashmir portion, you can go through it. So Karevas are the famous lacustrine deposits where Kashmir saffron is grown. So you can remember such important facts from perspective of your exam. Question number 33, it is asking which of the following term is correctly used for flat plain along the sub-Himalayan region in North India. So when you study the divisions of the Indo-Gangetic plain in India, you can see that it is divided into four regions. First of all, the Babbar plains, secondly the Tarai tract, thirdly the Bangar plains, and lastly the Khadar plains. So when you study the correct positioning of these parts of Indo-Gangetic plain, you can see Babbar will lie in the description given in the question. So correct answer is option D, Babbar. Question number 34, it is asking what is the name given to the area between Chenab and Ravi. So you guys know that the land between two rivers is called as Doab. So Punjab is land of such 5 Doabs. And the question is asking the Doab between Chenab and Ravi. So it is Rachna Doab. Correct answer is option B, Rachna Doab. So you can remember these names of Punjab. Question number 35, it is asking which of the following river is the only perennial river in peninsular India. Answer is option B, Kaveri. Since Kaveri is feeded from both southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon, it is considered almost perennial river in the peninsular India. Question number 36, it is asking which of the following minor plateau is not a part of Deccan Plateau. So Deccan Plateau is composed of Maharashtra Plateau, Karnataka Plateau, Telangana Plateau and Odisha Plateau. Here correct answer is option C, Chota Nagpur Plateau. So Chota Nagpur Plateau is a part of Eastern Highlands. Question number 37, it is asking which of the following is or are true about the peninsular plateau. So options are option A, elevation of plateau is from west to east. Option B, it is the oldest and most stable landmass of India. Option C, it is characterized by presence of black soil in western and northwestern part. So here all of these three statements are true regarding the peninsular plateau. So you can remember these facts. Question number 38. Which of the following peak is the tri-junction of Annamalai, Palani and Kadamam hills? Answer is option C, Annaimudi, a straight fact. Question number 39. It is asking which of the following coastal plain is located between Sahyadri and Arabian Sea? Answer is option B, West Coastal Plain. So West Coastal Plain is located between Sahyadris and Arabian Sea. So it is mainly characterized by sandy beaches, coastal sand dunes, mudflats, lagoons, alluvial tracts, estuaries, laterites, etc. Question number 40. It is asking the most famous Mariana Beach is located on which of the following coastal plain? So as you all know, Mariana Beach is located in Chennai, which is part of Eastern Coastal Plain. Correct answer is option D. Question number 41, it is asking which of the following is the biggest island of the Andaman group? Answer is option A, Middle Andaman. Question number 42, it is asking the 9-degree channel is located on which of the following islands? Answer is option A, Arabian Sea islands. So in Arabian Sea, we find Lakshadweep group of islands, a part of which is Minicoy Islands. So Minicoy Islands are separated from the rest of the islands of Lakshadweep through 9-degree channel. Question number 43, it is asking the extreme southernmost point of India, the Pygmalion point. It is located on which of the following islands? Answer here is option B, Bay of Bengal Islands. So Pygmalion point is a part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is again on Bay of Bengal. Question number 44, it is asking which is the correct definition of drainage basin. Answer here is an area drained by river and its tributaries. So a straightforward fact. Question number 45, it is regarding Duandar waterfall. So a famous characteristic of Dhuandhar waterfall is it is made up of marble rocks. So the question is asking which river creates the Dhuandhar waterfall. Answer is option A, Narmada. So it is a general knowledge fact. Question number 46, it is asking at which place Alkananda and Bhagirathi meet and take the name Ganga. Answer here is option A, Devaprayag. So at Devaprayag, Alkananda and Bhagirathi streams meet, after which only the river that forms is called as Ganga. So in the answer key, I have given the course of Ganga. You can go through it. Question number 47, it is asking which of the following river is called as Chandrabhaga. So two streams, Chandra and Bhaga, meet to create Chenab river. So answer is option A, Chenab. Question number 48, which is the river that flows through a salt desert? Answer is option D, Luni. So Luni is a seasonal stream in Rajasthan, which is part of a salt desert. Question number 49, on which of the following rivers is world's longest dam built? Answer is option C, Mahanadi. So on Mahanadi river, we can find Hirakud Dam, which is the world's longest dam. Question number 50. The city of Surat is located on which of the following river? Answer is option D, Tapi. A straightforward fact again. Question number 51. The northeast trade winds cause which of the following in India? So northeast trade winds, it is the retreating monsoon season and they bring winter rains in Chennai. So answer here is option B. Question number 52, it is asking who among the following studied the monsoon wind scientifically? Answer here is option A, Arabs. Question number 53, it is asking which of the following mechanisms are used to explain the behavior of Indian monsoon? So options are, you can see that option A, seasonal winds, option B, intertropical convergence, option C, jet streams. So all these three explain the behavior of Indian monsoon. So answer is option D, all of the above. In the answer key, I have given information about all the three mechanisms. You can go through it. Question number 54. The term Rossby waves is related to which of the following phenomena? Answer is option A, jet stream. Meandering jet streams are known as Rossby waves. Question number 55. Which of the following factors affect Indian monsoon? So options you can see El Nino, heating of Tibetan Plateau, or La Nina. So all these factors affect Indian monsoon. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 56. Which of the following places receive maximum rainfall in India? Answer is option A, Mayaswaram. So Mayaswaram, this place receives a rainfall about 10,000 centimeter per year. So recently there was a news that the rainfall content in Mayaswaram is decreasing year by year because of the climate change phenomena. So in this background, this question may become important. You must remember this. Question number 57, it is asking India experiences summer monsoon in which of the following months? Answer is option A, March to June, a straightforward fact. Question number 58, it is a match the following question on summer rainfall in India. So summer rainfall in India is known by different names in different places. So here the correct answer is option A. So you can match and remember the facts accordingly for your exam. Question number 59, it is asking which of the following soils is called as self-ploughing soil? Answer is option B, black soil. So these black soil exhibit a very peculiar phenomena, that is in summer season it becomes dry and you can see cracks formed in the soil, whereas in winter and rainy season it will absorb all the moisture and the soil expands. So because of this phenomena, it is called as self-ploughing soils. Question number 60, it is asking which of the following regions mountain soils is seen in India? So answer is option A, Himalayas. So in India, mountain soil is found only in Himalayas. Moving ahead to question number 61, it is regarding Usar soil and it is asking which of the following soils is known as Usar soil? Answer is option C, saline soil. So soils of Punjab and Haryana, because of extensive irrigation, have become saline, and in these regions this soils is known as Usar soils. Question number 62. It is asking which of the following type of forest is found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Answer is option C, tropical evergreen forests. So due to presence in tropics and undisturbed monsoons, Andaman and Nicobar Islands have tropical evergreen forests. Question number 63. It is asking which type of forests occupy the highest percentage of area in India. Answer is option D, tropical deciduous forest, a straightforward fact. Question number 64, it is asking Sundarbans in India is example of which of the following kind of forest. Answer is option A, mangrove forest, again a fact. Question number 65, it is asking which of the following is the criterion to find deciduous forest in India. Answer is option C, 100 to 200 centimeters. So deciduous forests in India are found in areas with rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter. Question number 66, it is asking which of the following is the first national park of India. Answer is option C, Jim Corbett. So Jim Corbett National Park was established even before independence in the year 1936. So in the year 1956, in the honor of Jim Corbett, who took the initiative for wildlife preservation in India, Indian government renamed this park as Jim Corbett National Park. Question number 67, it is asking on which of the following does Red Data Book provides data on. Answer is option D, endangered plants and animals, a straightforward fact. Question number 68, what is a very large ecosystem on land having distinct type of vegetation and wildlife called? Answer is biome. This is the definition of a biome. Question number 69, it is asking which among the following country is considered to have world's first sustainable biofuels economy. Answer is option B, Brazil, a straightforward fact. Question number 70, it is asking in which of the following places largest share in global mangrove areas are found. Answer is option C, Indonesia, again a straightforward fact. You can remember such facts from your exam point of view. Question number 71, it is asking what is the unit to measure thickness of stratospheric ozone layer. Answer is option A, Dobson unit, again a straightforward fact. Question number 72, it is asking Montreal Protocol is related to which of the following. Answer is option A, ozone layer. So Montreal Protocol is known as the protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. So it is an international treaty which was signed in 1987. So it was signed to phase out the production of various substances that are responsible for the ozone depletion. So India is also a signatory to Montreal Protocol. Question number 73, it is asking which of the following is the correct definition of biodiversity. Answer is option A. You can go through the option A. Question number 74, it is asking what is a ecotone. So here option A matches the correct definition of ecotone. It says it denotes a mosaic boundaries or interdigiting zone between two or more homogeneous vegetation units. Question number 75, it is asking which of the following provide correct definition of food web. So here you can see option C, which says a community of organisms where there are several interrelated food chains. So this is the correct answer for the question given, hence correct answer is option C. Moving ahead to question number 76, it is asking which is the most important crop cultivated on red soil in Karnataka. Answer is option A, ragi. It's a direct question. Question number 77, it is asking which of the following national park is also called as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Answer is option A, Nagarhole National Park. So Nagarhole National Park was set up in the year 1988, which was renamed as Rajiv Gandhi National Park in the year 1992. Question number 78, it is asking which of the following hill ranges have the name Chandradrona Parvata. Answer is option C, Baba Budangiri, a direct fact. Moving ahead to question number 79, it is asking which of the following beach in Karnataka is a good example of a crescent type of beach. Answer is option C, Om Beach. So again a fact. Moving ahead to question number 80, it is related to Paramashivaya report. The question is asking Paramashivaya committee report is related to which of the following? So in the year 2013, to find out permanent solutions to the water problems of Karnataka, various places in Karnataka, the then government appointed a committee to find out permanent solution to problems of water, which was headed by Dr. G.S. Paramashivaya. So here answer is option A, water problems. Question number 82, it is asking which of the following is a west flowing river in Karnataka? Answer is option B, Kali. A fact. Question number 82, it is asking which of the following is the main reason for the land degradation in Punjab? Answer is option B, over irrigation. So because of over irrigation, the fertile soils of Punjab region has become saline, so which has become unfit for cultivation. Question number 83, it is asking which of the following state is well known for the terrace cultivation? Answer is option D, Uttarakhand. Question number 84, it is asking which of the following minerals is contained in the monazite sand? Answer is option B, uranium. Question number 85, it says which two of the following extreme locations are connected by the east-west corridor? So answer here is option C, Silchar and Porbandar. So in the answer key, I have given information regarding the east-west, north-south east-west corridor. You can go through it. Question number 86. Who is the father of Green Revolution in India? Answer is option A, M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 87. Which is the largest cotton growing state in India? Answer is option A, Gujarat. So you can remember such important facts. Question number 88. In which year was the minimum support price for food grains was introduced? Answer is option B, 1964. Question number 89. Which of the following crop is not part of high yielding varieties program? So answer is option D, pulses. So this program was launched, that is the high yielding variety program was launched in the Kharif year of 1966 and 67. So its main aim was to attain self-sufficiency in production of food grains like rice, wheat, jowar, etc. by the year 1970-71. Question number 90. It has given definition of the term Kayals and says, where is Kayals found in India? Answer is option C, Kerala. So Kayals is famous for boat tourism and boat stay in Kerala. So it's a part of general knowledge and you must remember such things. Question number 91. It is asking large deposits of natural uranium which promises to be one of the top 20 of world reserves have been found in Tumlapalle belt in which of the following states? So basically it is asking where, in Tumlapalle region of India, natural uranium deposits are found. Where is Tumlapalle situated in India? Answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 92, it says, which of the following statement is true about economic growth? So economic growth implies change or increase in the real output of the country. So when you go through the options, option B provides this definition. Hence, option B is the correct statement regarding economic growth. Question number 93 is asking about the definition of quaternary sector. So it is research and developmental activities. Andre, people involved in research and developmental activities are classified in quaternary sector. So answer is option D. Question number 94 says, what is mixed economy? So mixed economy by definition means coexistence of public and private sectors. So here option C is the correct answer. Question number 95, here it says, which among the following is a suitable term for state of economy in which economic activity is slowing down but wages and prices continue to rise? So answer is option D, stagflation. Question number 96, it says, who is the first India-born woman economist to become chief economist at International Monetary Fund? Answer is option B, Geeta Gopinath. Question number 97, it says, what is the most widely used tool of monetary policy? Answer is option B, open market operations. So here there is buying and selling of government securities either by RBI or by the banks which are registered with RBI. So this process is mostly used for implementation of monetary policy in India. Question number 98, it says banking sector comes under which of the following? Answer is option C, service sector. So banking is a service sector. Question number 99, it says Basel norms are related to which of the following? So Basel norms are related to banking sector to avoid bad loans and bad banking practices. Question number 100, it says which of the following are included in capital budget of Government of India? So here answer is option D, all of the above. So you can remember this from exam point of view. So guys, this was short discussion on geography and related aspects. In the next video, let us meet again on general science. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact us and mail us. Thank you, Team NammaKPSC.